In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay text on an image in webflow. We'll build a simple, reliable setup that places your text neatly on top of an image. The idea is straightforward. We'll use a wrapper div as the container, place an image and a text block inside it, and then use positioning so the text sits exactly where you want it on the image. Open your project and head to the designer canvas. From the add panel, drag a div block onto the page. This div will be your overlay wrapper. You can keep its default width for now or size it to fit your layout later. Giving it a clear class name will help you style it consistently across your site. Next, add an image element inside that div and choose the picture you want to work with. Pick the actual image you plan to use so you can judge contrast, composition, and spacing accurately while you set up the overlay. Now, add a text block inside the same div right after the image. Type in the headline or caption you want to display. Keep it short and meaningful so it stays readable over the photo. Select the div block again, and in the style panel, change its position to relative. This step is key. It tells the browser that any absolutely positioned element inside this container will be anchored to it, not to the entire page, and click the text block and change its position to absolute. You'll now see positioning controls for top, right, bottom, and left. Use these to nudge the text exactly where you want it over the image. Top left for a label, bottom center for a caption, or anywhere that complements the photo. If the text is hard to read, consider increasing font size, adjusting line height, or picking a bolder weight and a high contrast color. To make alignment even easier, select the div block and switch its layout to flex. This gives you additional control over how items sit within the container as your layout evolves, especially on different breakpoints. It's helpful when you introduce other overlay elements or want consistent spacing around your image. With the structure in place, refine the look. Tweak font, color, and spacing. A subtle text shadow or a semi-transparent background on the text block can dramatically improve legibility without obscuring the image. Keep accessibility in mind by aiming for strong color contrast. Preview your page and check the overlay on tablet and mobile views. Adjust offsets or font sizes as needed so the text remains readable and well positioned across screen sizes. That's it. You've overlaid text on an image in webflow. Great job.